Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here in a hair salon, in a real hair salon, to learn how to communicate when having your hair cut. Whether you're traveling, studying abroad, or living in an English-speaking country, this video will make your next visit to the hair salon smooth and stress-free. Let's get started. I booked an appointment earlier today, meaning I reserved my spot in advance and I booked a wash and a blow dry. Wait for the result, it's amazing! A blow dry is a hairstyling technique where wet or damp hair is dried and styled simultaneously using a blow dryer, also known as hair dryer, and a brush. This is a brush and this is a comb. A brush is wide and flat and has bristles. A comb is flat and has teeth. I wanted to ask for a trim, but I had my hair trimmed last week, so it won't be necessary. A trim refers to cutting a small amount of hair, usually to maintain the current style or remove split ends. Women hate split ends, right? Or men with long hair. Some common haircuts for women are bob cut, pixie cut, and layered cut. Some common haircuts for men are buzz cut, crew cut, fade, come over fade, and others. Let's take a look at the wash station. This is the wash station. This is the shampoo bowl with an adjustable chair and shampoo bottles. Today, I won't be getting my hair washed at a regular wash station. Instead, I'll have it done here while I lie on this shampoo bed that gives me a relaxing massage while the hairstylist washes my hair. It's pretty cold today, but the beds are heated, keeping us warm. So comfortable. Over here, you can see the spa manicure chairs, perfect for getting your nails done. And there is even an ATM, automated teller machine, where you can withdraw some cash. Nice! Sometimes the hairstylist will ask you if you want layers. The question would be something like, would you like any layers? As you see in the picture. Also, women and men can ask for bangs if they want them. These are bangs. I had bangs when I was 4 years old. Oh, I look so cute, right? But I didn't like bangs. When describing the haircut you want, you can use sentences like, can you cut my hair shoulder length if you want your hair to look like this? Can you thin out my hair? It's very thick. If you want thinner hair, thin and thick. I'd like bangs if you want to look like this. I'd like some layers if you want layers as you see in the picture. I'd like it longer in the back and shorter in the front. If you have long hair, you can say, I'd like my hair cut into a U shape, please. Or you can have it cut in a V shape instead. I usually have my hair cut in a U shape because it gives a more soft and natural appearance. While having your hair cut, the hairstylist can ask you to tilt your head forward, please. Tuck your chin, please. Tuck your chin means to slightly lower your chin towards your chest, like this. Could you scoot forward a little? Could you hold still like that, please? Hold still. Could you angle your shoulders slightly? To angle your shoulders means to slightly turn or position your shoulders to help the hairstylist access different parts of your hair while cutting, styling, or dry it. All these sentences are important and useful if you want to avoid crooked hair. And if you do think your hair is crooked, you can say, I think my hair is crooked. Do you think my hair is a bit lopsided? Or do you think my hair is a bit uneven? But maybe you've come to the salon to have your hair colored. Here are some useful phrases when you're getting your hair dyed. I'd like to have my hair dyed. I'd like to go blonde. I'd like to go darker. I'd like some highlights when you want lighter strands for contrast. I'd like low lights if you want darker strands mixed in. I'd like an ombre effect if you want a gradual fade from one color to another. I'd like to touch up my roots if you want to color just the new hair growth. I'd like to try a bold color like red, purple, or blue. If you want something very specific, you can bring a photo or describe it in detail. I'd like my hair dyed to match this shade. Can you make it look warm and golden? I'm looking for an ashy tone, not too warm. I'm gonna have my hair washed. Now the hairstylist is shampooing my hair to remove dirt. I'll probably fall asleep. I love it. By the way, this hair salon is called Nail Pub and is located in South Beach, Miami. They even gave me a blanket because it's cold outside. Now he's rinsing out the shampoo, which means he's removing it from my hair. I have no idea which brand this is, but he's applying an Italian hair mask. A hair mask is a moisturizing treatment that makes hair softer, stronger, and less frizzy. Oh, I'm in love with this technique. This is called hot stone therapy. He's massaging my head with a basalt stone to improve blood circulation, relax the scalp, and promote healthy hair growth. Now I'll have my hair blow dried. Straight, yeah. Here I said straight because he asked me if I wanted a wavy or a straight blow dry. Wavy hair is hair with waves, with volume, movement, with a beachy texture. He started off by spraying in some heat protectant, which is a spray that protects the hair from the heat of styling tools like the blow dryer. Then he started drying it. He split my hair into some layers and started straightening it. He is straightening my hair with a flat iron, also known as a straightener. Yeah, it looks beautiful. I love the result. I love it. I really like it this way. If this video was useful, please don't forget to hit the like button and share and subscribe to my channel. See you.